football. What do we play? Soccer. What ball are you referring to? Who? Anyone
You know, there could be black balls or
Are you just referring to anything you can get your hands on?
yeah.
Or get your mouth on?
Yeah.
You have like a huge double chin right now. Especially when you're pretty soft.
Oh, Becky, it's too kind.
I know. I think you're drunk.
I'm not. I'm just really random.
But you're not drunk.
No.
I know, I make really pretty faces.
Wait, let me see.
That looks like an alien. Wait, ready?
Me. Wait, can I see your alien again?
What? Yeah. Ready? Beep, beep.
Can you give us a little alien, like, show thing? Like, make up a story.
Yeah! Okay.
Put your knees down.
Put
I
your
can't
knees
see.
down.
Put your knees
Oh,
down.
sorry.
Now your feet are in my face.
Ready? Beep, beep. My name is Planet. Planet Rocket.
Planet Rocket what?
Put your leg down.
I'm sorry. I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Wait, finish your story.
Oh, yeah. So they were walking.
I don't see the freaking alien.
A pearl one in that. And then it got a blizzard. And then they went into the mall, turned an escalator backwards.
Went to the mall on an escalator backwards.
On a sled. Okay, now I'm done.
No, you're not.
And then it went down, and down, they flipped over, and died.
What? That's a horrible one.
No, I'm not done. And then they got resurrected.
Oh my god.
Up into outer space again. And then they started peanut school.
Peanut?
I can't breathe.
You can.
She's thinking too hard.
I'm done.
You just have to end it with one more. That was your little alien.
Beep, beep. Okay, I'm done.
Can you tell me a story without the alien? How about a Tarzan?
How about let's start with the main character is a unicorn.
No.
No.
Those are pansies.
And you are a pansy.